for hearing. Secretary gets your records and make a response within 20 days. Ms. Muridi, you have the right to file a further or supplementary affidavit if necessary. Hearing on 5th of February.
Pardon, my lord?
Hearing on 5th of February.
That's next year, my lord. Most obliged.
Thank you. State of Nyate Karuga.
My lord, in that matter,
Yes.
my name is Mokade holding brief for minor who appears for the administrator and the applicant in their instant application, my lord.
My lord,
Mr. Mkabe for? Yes.
My lord, the matter is coming up today. It's listed that it's coming for hearing of an application. However, to the best of my knowledge, is that the matter is coming up for a ruling. To the application dated 12th of November 2024, my lord. The last time we were before you, you indicated that we do file submissions to the application, and on our side, as the applicant, my lord, we didn't file the submissions to the application and served to the respondents.
Filed our submissions that dated 19th March 2025. Expecting it.
So, Mr. Mkabe, you're not filing submissions, eh?
Yes, my lord. Our submissions are dated 14th of March 2025.
Ruling on 16th of September. I'll give a ruling on 16th of September. Ruling on 16th of September.
Much obliged.
Much obliged, my lord.
Lawrence Regeru.
Yes, my lord Munyori, I appear for the administrators.
Yes.
My lord,
Yes.
in this matter, I'm Mrs. Kimani. I appear for the beneficiary, Saidi Kagesha.
My lord, Mrs. Wambogo, I continue to appear for 3 beneficiaries from the fact house: Winfield Nganga, Catherine, and Esther Waja.
Yes.
My lord, Amgashero, I'm appearing for a widow of one of the deceased beneficiaries.
Yes.
My Lord, my name is Wandago. I appear for the respondent, Tyson's Limited. Wandago. For Tyson's Limited, the respondent.
Yes.
I think that is all for the appearances. My Lord, the matter
Yes.
was coming up for mention to monitor how far the surveyor had gone
Yes.
in terms of preparing a report so that the parties then could engage in terms of having the Mombasa property distributed to them. We did
Yes.
receive the report and we circulated it to my learned friends. I'm yet to receive their comments or reaction as to the way forward. We seek a little more time when then they can react
That
to
is
the report.
a surveyor's report.
Surveyor's report, my Lord, was advising the parties on how to move towards obtaining section of properties of a high-rise building in Mombasa.
Yes.
We seek time to give parties sufficient time to engage.
How much time do you need?
Maybe 2 months, my Lord.
That's the position of everybody here.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, my Lord.
Not
That's correct, my Lord.
Yes.
We have other matters that were also pending before you. I think the issue of the Mombasa building is only one of them.
Yes.
We also had the issue of the administrators to be determined. We are also looking to crystallize the beneficiaries, the 5th beneficiaries benefit, which is the reason why we are very particular about that.
So what is the way forward in relation to other issues?
I think you had given us time to discuss and see whether we had a consent to record with regards to the issue of administration. We did not record any consent. We had agreed that council would share documents. I think they're yet to still do that. It's been, I think the time that we continue to come in for mention is not serving the purpose. But we did not have any consent to record.
Ms. Wambuku, you have always given me the impression that this matter is concluded except the Mombasa property. Where are other issues now arising from?
The issue being raised, Mombasa property is the only asset that is left undistributed. Marane friend represents a party, but perhaps you can articulate it. Don't all the other parties can articulate so that we alienate.
I'm not hearing what you're saying.
I'm saying perhaps council can articulate what issue, because I believe her issue does not affect all the beneficiaries, all the 13 beneficiaries of the estate. She can articulate what the bit that is left unattended.
Mr. Gacher, what is outstanding in this matter? Because I've had the impression that what was outstanding here was the distribution of the Mombasa estate. Is it an issue that you still don't know who the beneficiaries of the estate are?
My Lord, I would agree partially with this Mabogo that this matter is concluded. The only property remaining for distribution is the Mombasa one. There are small issues between the beneficiary. Like there's a small issue between me and Ms. Akero as far as the administration of the estate of Stephen Kagesha is concerned. That's a matter we are dealing with at Kiambu, but for the purposes of the asset of the estate, you made an order preserving the same, where you ordered that the administrator continue holding the money belonging to that estate.
By the same court. But what happened is with the continued laxity with the administrators to distribute the property to the fifth respondent, the court was very clear that the administrators were failing in their duties and therefore removed them from their duties as administrators. This is where we were the last time. And I remember I need to bring this to attention because the court was very clear that this is not something that you can wait for the last minute. I think what counsel is trying to do here is assume, because there was no order that was made. As it is right now, the last order that stands is the one from your predecessor, Justice Musyoka, which necessarily, none of the property